I don't know why I'm recording this. I understand. Preppy run, just a normal run, and we got a good team so far. I think 16. Oh, simple. Oh no, I can't gamble. Damn. I just realized I can't gamble, bro. I don't know how to do an intro, by the way. So this is just gonna be. And I turned on the game volume, so I'm risking my life right now. Cause if I get seen, I can barely hear it. But like, if my volume's all the way up, then it's like impossible to hear any word I'm saying. It's stupid, I know. I can't turn the microphone volume up though because it's like rigged. It's like broken. It's like it's all glitching and stuff. I don't know. It's really bro. And for some reason okay. Anyway, why are there two Toodles? Don't go do something. Okay. I can barely get machines because my freaking what's it called stamina is so low, so I can like I literally never find. Yes, machine. Well, I finally got a machine now. I can get more Iker. Yay! I'm saving up for that new update. The one was calling me whatever that comes out. GTE. Except for you, Distractor. Sometimes Distractors go to elevator when you say GTE, and I hope that wasn't you who just got hit, speaking of talking about Distractors. But like, for some reason, sometimes Distractors like go to the elevator when someone says GTE, and it's like, no. Like, you either have the option to stop distracting when elevator opens or when everybody's in elevator. Alright, let's go. Alright, my stamina sucks. And I want to gamble more, so I'm just gonna waste all of these and no. Thank you, group. Thank you. I love you, group. And yes, we're gonna increase the speed. I need that, and a lot of other people need it. I'm not trying to be narcissistic here, but like 100 stamina and it loads like really slow. Oh, no, that one's not gonna work. Floor 3. Main hunt, but oh, it was a main hunt, dog. Stopwatch. Oh god, give me no. I mean, she might have V-mode. I don't know if she does. Just saying she could have V-mode, and I don't know if she used her ability or not. Just no. Okay, there's no machine here, and why did I take the frick? Okay, I got a. What's a? Isn't that? I thought that was a Roger capsule. I almost freaked out. I almost thought, okay, right there. No, nobody take that one. That one's mine. That one is mine. Yes. Who died? Who died? Q. I didn't even put Q. If it was the distractor, we're so cooked. No, R.I.P. No. Who let the no. You know what? Frick you, Finn. This is your fault, dude. I blame this on Smoke. Oh my! I'm trying not to lead it. I blame this on Finn, cause he decided to lead. I hate people. All right. I think we got a GTE. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, we're cooked. We already lost this Distractor, and it's not even like double-digit floors yet. It's not even that lit. Oh my god! Why did my thing lag? My stamina. Thank you, Tisha. I almost got killed, and I didn't want to look behind me because if I look behind me, then I get stressed. All right, I thought this run was gonna last longer. I think we might be cooked really soon here. Please let me roll a med kit or something. Going for a good real. Dandy, I hate you. I have not. Why don't I swear to God? He always puts the greatest stuff when it's like a Dandy run, and then when it's like not a Dandy's run, he puts like the worst stuff possible. I'm praying next time we see him again on floor 6, if I even survive that long, that he has med or something. Because right now, like, 2 hearts is crazy. I mean, pop, it's good, but is that Cosmo? I can't tell. I'm really blind, and Okay, there's no machine back there. Who's gonna... Nope, we're gonna not go that way. Bandit, I need it. And I need it, but I'm like afraid to... Don't lead the... Dude, Finn! Okay, there. Okay, I almost freaked out. Sorry about that, Finn. Well, dude, don't go near other people. I hate all of you. Don't go to people while if they're freaking. Oh my God, how hard is it? It's not that hard to process the if somebody is trying, like, if there's no other option, then yeah, you might have to go. Then yeah, like if there's no other option to escape, then yeah, you might have to go near somebody finishing the machine. But like, alright, already GTE. But if like somebody's like near a machine and there's like other ways to run and you're not like trapped or anything, then don't go near them because then Finn died. I think. I kind of hope that was rude, but I mean, okay. I think somebody else died. I recorded this because I thought this was going to be a good long run. That was ass. Alright, Finn died. Yep. That's what you get, sir. I don't know why I have beef with... I'm sorry. If the Finn here is watching this, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm genuinely sorry. You didn't deserve that death. I'm holding a grudge for something that happened on, like, floor 3, I think. Yeah. I am cooking... Soy. Band, please, for the love of God, let me roll up. No way! I rolled a band. I'm gonna use that real quick. Just because. Wow, my luck. This is why being GG is one of the best things. Jesus Christ, that Toodle scared me. This is why being GG is the best sometimes. Nope. Never mind. I'm gonna go the other way. Tisha, just so you know, Toodles could go that way, and it's fine, you know. Oh, floor 5, 5 machines. Oh dear Jesus! All right. Oh, V's got them both on her. That's great. Is her stamina like high or like really low? I genuinely don't know because I don't check because I don't think I'm ever gonna get a main. Don't feel bad. I'm not saying that as like a statement to feel bad for this saying. Alright, okay, there we go. I don't expect people to feel bad when they say, I can't get a main. I don't really expect, I'll be like, oh, that's too bad. But I don't genuinely feel bad. Like, okay, I don't know. I'm yapping. 5 people? Jesus! I boxed it! Don't go in here. Thank you, sir. You're one of my biggest ops. You and Toodles are like my biggest ops. Actually, Pebbles is also. I swear to God, I hate Twisted Pebbles. I love Pebbles like his regular character. Twisted, dear God. All right, it's just a. Jesus, Poppy. I keep getting jump scared. This game paranoids me so much. Is that a word? Okay, I can't. Sometimes words are weird. What the heck? Alright, go. 120. Alright, that's good. V, why are you walking, you goober? I don't want to. Alright, there we go. Alright. Is this thing on? I think it is. I think it's working. Oh, Tisha left, I think. I hate you, damn you. You suck. Nobody needs any of these items, little bro. But like, what are you trying to get at? Were you using that? Oh, I don't know. Oh, that was weird. Oh, other one left. That's crazy. Now there's only 4. Stop! Jeez. What was the... sorry. That was the point. What was the point of that? Jeez. Alright, I'm dying. Please med or something. Can I get med? Like, can I like... I don't want to see my... Thank you. God, I hate when that happens. Alright, Alright, there's 2 in there, and I think V saw... There's Shribo, and how did he see me through the goddamn wall? Okay. This game is rigged sometimes, and Cosmo. I was gonna get V Research yesterday as Roger, but like I barely played yesterday, and since stupid school decided to ruin all that. Dude, how did he see me through? I hate this game. Go away! I hate you! God. Okay. But since school likes to ruin that stuff, I couldn't get any freaking research on V. I hate my life. Okay. Can I go? They're camping. They are. I thought no hate on the developers, but I thought they like fixed that bug, whatever, where like it wasn't as like botted. But that is the most. Oh my god! Why are y'all? Well, I'm going a different way there. Never mind, cause Shrimpo was right. Oh, I forgot Poppy was here. Jeez, I swear to God. Where's that machine? Oh, somebody was already doing it, but I'm gonna finish that for them. Really hope this one. Oh God, I think I stole that from. It's okay. You got 4 Iker, I think. Don't hold a grudge again. I think she's like standing still to type, but like you weren't there, girl. I hate the thing where like this machine is mine. Like, no. What was that? Why can't I never finish my sentence because of these dumbass freaking. Use this to increase. Alright, I think Toodles and V are on the last 2. Let me check real quick. Let me check through the window. Girl, I swear to God, please tell me. Alright, yep. Alright, GTE. I'm gonna hide behind here because Gigi has like 3 stars stuff, 2 stars maybe. I forget. But and like her like stamina sucks ass. Like she's like great to play as, but like also her stamina makes her boring. I mean, not like to suck to play as. Alright, that's good. That one's really good. But considering, okay, Toodles has like low, I don't know about V though, and Poppy, I guess it's okay. Hers is okay. V though, I'm not really sure, because again, I don't study like the mains, like their stuff, because I don't really care. Oh, that's good. That's good. I was about to complain, but that's actually really good. Turn my volume up. Alright. Alright, I didn't hear no footsteps. Okay. Oh, Shrimpo's coming over here. Please don't see me through the wall, like, every time. And that's why I hate playing this game. Like, dog, how did you see me through the goddamn... Like, you could give the Twisteds, like, good eyesight. I swear to God, they're cornering me. They trying to corner me up in this place. Alright, don't look. What? GT. Oh, that was last. I was gonna say, like, I'm brain dead. Okay, research. I didn't mean to pick that up, but that's okay. I guess. Not the greatest. Ooh. How did she not see me? How? Dog, I'm like hiding right now because these Twisteds are like camping around the area. Like, I don't even know if I can go over there. That's the problem with playing as freaking Gigi. Again, like, I'm sorry I'm complaining too much about it, but like, seriously, like going out in the open to do machines kind of sucks when there's like mains over there. I mean, not Twisteds. Dog, I'm getting words mixed up. Cause I'm like, your one speed is low. I see. I'm talking too fast, but like. It's low, and then it's like freaking hard to do. I kind of feel bad because I haven't done one machine, but like, honestly, Toodles should be the one being careful. She only has 2 hearts right now. Dog, do we GTE? Cause never mind. Go. Alright, I'm gonna pretend like I didn't see that. I don't want the signal. Oh, alright, go. Holy. Wow, why did I stop moving? What was that? I can't be the only one who just stopped. I stopped moving for like a split second. Run. Ugh. I keep drinking too much soda. I'm a big back. Not helpful, really, because I already got... Oh, my God! That keeps escaping me. Every time. I don't know why. Who is being a big back here? Who drinking all that? Thank you. Come again. Oh, my goodness. Oh, also, I don't know if you guys know. Yeah, he T-poses under there. That's what he does, okay? But leave him alone. Just let him do his thing. That's not useful. Dot. Yeah, yep, we're all dying this floor. I bet what do I waste? I wanna, the urge to just freaking, alright, it's okay. Of course. Alright, well, alright, I guess I want to get some research, and I'm gonna try, okay, at least we have V, because that's really helpful right now, because, oh, alright, nobody's on this one. Alright, that's really good for a blackout. This place is really good. But unless there's like a main. Dog, one time I got a blackout with Dandy. It was crazy. Don't lead him to thank you, V. Oh, we're already almost done. That's cool. I'm on the 4th one. Somebody could find the last one. That would be good. Alright, great job. Alright, okay, we're doing good. Alright, I take that back. Maybe we aren't good at that. Oh, yes, it's all coming together. Oh, V got hit, I think. Oh, okay, they're over there. Wait, did V get hit? Because, like, there's no... It was, like... I heard it over here, though. Like... Annie... Girl, I'm scared. Alright. V could probably see where all machines are. She's probably... Oh, GTE? Alright. Alright, then. Never mind. I'll use this in Ellie. Alright, I need to stop running over there unless I'm getting chased. Because if I'm getting chased, that'd be really useful. Alright, Laurel, what am I doing? Okay, alright, first to Ellie. I'm gonna use this, but that's gonna, like, get the Twisteds over here, even if I'm in Ellie. And people are getting hit left and right. Poppy just got hit, I can tell. Wonder if V got hit or if that was, Toodles, because... Come on. Alright, let me check. Alright, yeah, okay, Toodles and Poppy both got hit, and I think V didn't get hit. I couldn't see that. Alright, okay, we're good. No, I don't need a blind grab. Yeah, that one's better. Please, I don't need blind grab. Thank you. I don't need that. I'm GG. I literally don't need that at all, because, like, I really... Oh, speaking of, let me just... Fuck, that I may have... I wasn't paying attention, and... Get this red... Alright, we're good. Stealth candy? That's okay. It's not the greatest, but it's, like, not the worst either. What the fuck? How did that hoe see me? I'm sorry, Cosmo, I love you, but you're twisted. Makes me want to fucking end my life. That was a joke. I'm sorry. That was a really bad joke. Ah! How did I not see him? I got jump scared. I hate this game so much, bro. Please. He's still... This asshole. Alright, go. Okay, go. Everybody's getting the machines done. Alright, I gotta hurry. That scared me. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Use that. Yeah. Go. Alright. Thank you. That was horrifying. I'm traumatized. Oh, okay. We're all getting machines done really fast. Alright. No. Do not go in here. Do not. Turn the other way. Turn. Get out of here. Thank you. Thank you, girlie. If we get a main next floor, I'm ending. I'm done. Right, how long has this? Almost 20 minutes. And I see the last one, but like, is somebody on it? No. Nope, nobody's on it. And well, this is my chance to just take it. GTE. Hurry up. No. Dude, why did you... Frick you, Toodles. I hate you. I hate you. Why did you lead them to me? For the love of God, I hate everyone. Why? I blame this on freaking Toodles. Yeah, and now I'm getting chased. Thank you. Thank you, Toodles. Thank you. You're so kind. You could have just turned the other way instead of going directly where I was God. I'm having beef with everybody at this point. Alright, it increases my chance. So I'll get jumper cable. I guess. Even though I could roll that, but it increases main chance. I just realized this is a main run and I don't want mains, and now I almost want to, okay. It increases main chance though, like, I don't know, because like I just said I don't want mains, but do I really not want, I'm going to turn my volume up. I want to hear if I can hear footsteps, because buying increases the chance. What? V and Pebble? No way. No way. Oh, okay. V, my beloved. Yeah! I'm sorry, I had to let that out. I'm brain rot. I'm not Gen Alpha, but like, I'm brain rot. Yeah, Pebble, my biggest op, is here. Honestly, V is kind of easy to survive. Kinda. I've never died. This might be my first time dying with. No, Boxden. Oh shit. Oh! Ah! Get off my screen! I don't want to look at you, V. You look ugly. No way we got V and Pebble on the same floor. I should not have bought that jumper cable. What are you doing? Nope. Alright, that scared me. I want to move. Alright, I don't. Okay, alright. Yeah. Ah! Pebble saw me. No! I'm sorry! Pebble, please go away. Pebble! I would have grabbed that research. Go off my screen, you ugly. I'm just kidding. You're very pretty. I'm risking it. How did this bitch not see me? Oh. Ah! Bro, this is crazy. I'm glad I'm getting main research though. I haven't really gotten any like other research. No. Who got hit by who? Frick. What? Oh my god! No! Are you kidding me? I'm not surviving. Yeah, cause like, hide. All right. Well, there goes literally everybody. Well, at least what was that lag? No, this is not nice and easy. GG, shut up. I kind of just want to let myself die right now. That was horrible. I should have saved that for the last mission, but I'm not gonna survive. That's the problem. No way, I freaking go away. God, V. You are a pain in the literal ass, and you have an ass too. You got a big fat yeah. Ah! Oh yeah, I'm slow and I'm dead. Bye, I'm dead. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm dead. Stop chasing me. Yeah, okay, yeah, my stamina's gone. Yep. No. Ah! I'm dead. Yep. Oh, 128 accurate. Alright. Well, that's that, I guess. Floor 10 and then 2 mains. Okay. I mean, at least it was a successful main hunt. That was disastrous. I was the last to survive and I died. Fair point.